Welcome to Lecture 7 of Startup Engineering. Today we're going to talk about the deployment process, and in particular the dev, staging, and production flow, which is useful in any application that you're deploying outside of a toy context. So let's begin. Basically, the motivation behind the so-called dev, staging, production flow is that it moves beyond the simplest way of editing a website. The simplest way of editing a website is simply to SSH directly into the server, load up Emacs or Vim, edit the HTML, CSS, and JS, and then just save the file and reload the page. And this is something, this is a way that grad students or people who are just getting started practice web development. It's how you do it on your local machine maybe. It does have the advantage of extreme simplicity. But one of the issues with it is that, or there's many issues with it. Among other things, it's fragile. You can lose the code. You can't easily roll back features. You can't test features before end users see them. You definitely can't easily incorporate contributions from multiple engineers, and so on and so forth. And these failings introduce the concepts of sort of the dev, staging, and production flow, which has become much, much easier with the introduction of the Git command line utility. And so that's what we're going to talk about in this lecture, is basically the dev, staging, and production flow. And then also towards the very end, we'll talk about setting up custom domains and things of that nature. So let's get started.